Good day, Scouts. Welcome back to Serious Survival. And today, we're gonna learn the ABCs of survival.
First on the list, A. Always survive, no matter what.
Shit, my knife broke. Too bad I'm gonna survive anyway. B is for be the best.
Pete, how many hole-in-ones have you hit? 4? Ha, I've hit 8. C, cauterize. Don't use tourniquets. They're heavy. Fire is weightless.
D is for do what it takes. All the stuff that you don't like to do, make sure you do it anyway and stop being a little punk.
I freaking hate chopping firewood. I'll take the biggest one anyway.
Here.
E, entertain.
Woo, this is so much fun! F is for fight. If any weeds, bugs, or animals annoy you, fight them to the death.
I can do this all day. Bring it.
G is for goals. Set realistic goals. Like by the time you get out of the woods, you want to be a multi-millionaire.
H is for harvest. Don't do it. Bring what you need in the woods. Everyone knows there's a UDF near them all.
I is for invade. If you see other campers out in the woods, make sure you go into their camp and take their stuff. I'm gonna go take a leak, and then I'm gonna go for a hike. Sucker.
J is for jump.
2 conclusions. You don't need any outside information to make decisions when you're in the woods. K is for ketamine. If you're bored out in the woods and you got nothing to do, sometimes it's fun to relax a little.
L is for lounge. After a day of kicking ass, just treat yourself.
N is for master the elements. Let Mother Nature know you're not her bitch.
I'm not your bitch. N is for never surrender. If you just drank water that you suspect has Giardia in it and you're puking, keep drinking that water.
Giardia is found on surfaces or in soil, food, or water that has been contaminated with feces.
I'm not gonna surrender.
O is for ointment. You don't need it. Put that shit back in the baby aisle.
P is for pain. If you're having too good of a time, injure yourself and suck it up. Q is for quit. If you're not having any fun, go home. You don't belong here.
This sucks. I hate nature. I'm going home.
R is for return. When you've had a second to cool your jets, get back out there.
Man, I miss nature. I'm ready to go. S is for scavenge. If you find a wolf or a bear that's killed something, chase it off because that's your next meal.
T is for ticks. Ticks are dangerous. Be even more dangerous. Kill them with fire.
U is for urine. Make sure you drink your urine before you drink any water out in the woods because water can be dirty. Urine is proved to be sterile.
V is for vengeance. Take revenge for all the wrongdoings done to you in the world and take it out on Mother Nature. Take that.
W is for water. Don't drink your own urine. Drink water only.
X is for xylophone. If you or anyone you know has ever even played or seen a xylophone, you're not welcome in the woods. Period.
Y is for Yahoo chocolate drink. After a long hard day in the woods, there's nothing that hydrates you better than a good old bottle of Yahoo.
And finally, Z is for zone. Get into it.
I don't know about you, but I'm in the zone.